you. Thank you. Whew. Thank you very much.
Nuts.
Alexa, turn up the TV.
So, Dale, I don't know how much you know about therapy, but it usually starts by you telling me a little something about yourself.
I work at a college as a janitor, even though I feel like I'm smarter than most of the people that go there. Sometimes I see an equation written on a blackboard, like half an equation. I'll just figure it out.
Is this Good Will Hunting?
No.
Sounds a lot like the plot of Good Will Hunting.
Yeah, anyway.
Don't be too proud of this technological terror you've constructed. The ability to destroy a planet is insignificant next to the power of the Force.
Alexa, close the drapes.
Don't try to frighten us with your sorcerer's ways, Lord Vader. Okay. Your sad devotion to that ancient religion has not helped you conjure up the stolen data tapes, or given you clairvoyance enough to find the rebels' hidden fort.
I find your lack of faith disturbing.